Nurse, I am still seeing my monthly flow, and the pregnancy test that I did shows that I am pregnant, and even the scan shows it also. Is it possible for someone to be pregnant and still see her monthly flow? Hello everyone, welcome back to Omiaka Nursing and Maternity Home. My name is Nurse Destiny. Omiaka, a registered nurse, a registered midwife, the founder of Omiaka Nursing and Maternity Media with over 15 years of experience, and I'm still actively practicing. Today's topic is one that really confuses many women. So many mothers have walked up to me and say, is it possible for me to be pregnant and I'm still seeing my menses? So I try educating them, and I think most people, most mothers too, they want to know the reason whether it is possible for them to be pregnant and then still see their monthly flow. If this has happened to you or someone you know, don't panic. Today I am going to explain everything in simple language. Now let's begin. Can you be pregnant and still bleeding? The simple answer is yes. But however, what many women call their period during pregnancy is usually not a true menstrual period. Once pregnancy begins, mothers, listen to me. Your body normally stops releasing the monthly lining that causes menstruation. So if you are bleeding while pregnant, it is usually caused by something else. Many women experience light bleeding during early pregnancy. So because it comes around the same time they expected their period, they think it is normal menstruation, and this can make them believe that they are not pregnant. That is why some women only discover their pregnancy after several weeks or even months. And there are some common reasons why you bleed or why mother bleed during pregnancy. The number one is the plantation bleeding. This is one of the most common, reasons. When the fertilized egg attaches itself to the womb, a small amount of bleeding may occur. This usually happens about 1 to 2 weeks after conception. Now, the bleeding color looks like, very light, and some they look like they are pink, brown, or light red. And this only lasts for some few hours or 2 days. That is if it is implantation, bleeding. And many women mistake this for their normal period. Then the number two reasons why mothers, a pregnant woman, bleed during pregnancy: changes in the cervix. During pregnancy, more blood flows to the cervix. After sexual intercourse or after a vaginal examination, you may notice a small amount of bleeding. Then during pregnancy, your blood flows to the cervix. This is usually harmless, but still be reported to your healthcare provider. The number three reason why pregnant women they see blood is hormonal changes. Some women continue to have light bleeding around the time their period would normally come during the first few months of pregnancy. That is during your first trimester. So although it's not a real bleeding or a real period, it can look similar. The number four reason why a pregnant woman may be seen or bleeding is threatened miscarriage. Sometimes bleeding during pregnancy may be a warning sign. If the bleeding is heavy, comes with severe abdominal pain, or you pass clots or tissue, you should go to the nearby hospital or where you registered. Early treatment may help protect the pregnancy in some cases. Another reason why pregnant women bleed is ectopic pregnancy. That is if the pregnancy is ectopic. And this happens when the pregnancy grows outside the womb. That is why it's called ectopic. Now, what are the symptoms of ectopic pregnancy? You having severe pain on one side of the abdomen, bleeding, and then there is dizziness or fainting due to the bleeding. And this is a medical emergency, and it requires immediate hospital care. Reason why pregnant women bleed: if they have problem with the placenta. In later pregnancy, bleeding may happen because of problems with the placenta. Examples include placenta previa or placenta abruption. These conditions require urgent medical attention. How can I know if it is my period or pregnancy bleeding? Pregnancy bleeding is often lighter than your normal period. Is shorter in duration. It may stop and start. You see stains in your pants, up to pink or brown instead of bright red. Then a normal menstrual period is usually what? Heavier, and it lasts 3 to 7 days depending on the individual. Then it has a steady flow. You understand? It doesn't just come today and then ends tomorrow and then restarts. No, 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 no. It comes, whether it is 4 days, it's 5 days or 7 days, and that ends it. And may also contain clots. So if you're not sure, do a pregnancy test and then visit the hospital. Right now, the next question is, what should you do if you bleed during pregnancy? Do not ignore it. Mothers, during pregnancy, if you see any blood, whether it is implantation bleeding, any blood at all, run to the hospital. Now, do not assume it is a normal period. No. Take a pregnancy test if you have missed your period or have pregnancy symptoms. Visit a healthcare facility. Your doctor or midwife may request an ultrasound scan and then test to check your baby. Or foul smelly discharge. These symptoms should never be ignored. You go to the hospital urgently if the bleeding is heavy, you have severe abdominal pain, you feel dizzy or faint, you are passing large clots or infection, and you have a fever. This is my final advice. As a registered nurse, a registered midwife of over 15 years of experience, seeing bleeding during pregnancy does not always mean that you have lost your baby. Many women who experiences light bleeding go on to have healthy pregnancies. But because some causes can be serious, every pregnant woman who notices bleeding should be examined by a qualified healthcare provider. Never diagnose yourself at home. Your health and your baby's health are very, very important. This is where we draw the curtain. If you have still not subscribed to this channel, why not go ahead and hit it? Remember, it's free of charge. And also remember to put on your notification bell. Share it to mothers, your friends, your neighbors, your doctors, and then subscribe to Onyeka Nursing and Maternity Home. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our daily pregnancy, childbirth, and the women's health education videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. If you want one-on-one appointment, maybe you have health related issues that you don't want anybody to know about and you want to communicate it with me, or you have any challenges, any health challenges or relationship, anything at all, I am always available to the wonderful mothers in the whole wide world.